Welcome to my channel Wheelie Smart. Introduction to Spark Plug Replacement. Changing spark plugs in a Hemi engine is a straightforward task that can save you money and keep your car running smoothly. Spark plugs are critical for igniting the fuel-air mixture in your engine, ensuring optimal performance. This guide is designed for every car user, from beginners to seasoned DIYers, and explains the process in a clear, engaging way. With the right tools and a little patience, you can replace Hemi spark plugs in under an hour, boosting your vehicle's efficiency and power. Tools and materials needed. To get started, gather a few essential tools. A ratchet wrench, a spark plug socket, usually 5/8 inch for Hemi engines, a socket extension, a torque wrench, a spark plug gap tool, and a clean rag. You'll also need new spark plugs compatible with your Hemi engine. Check your vehicle's manual for the correct type, often copper or iridium plugs. Anti-seize compound and dielectric grease are optional but recommended to prevent future issues. Having everything ready makes the job smooth and enjoyable. Preparing your vehicle. Park your car on a flat surface and ensure the engine is cool to avoid burns. Disconnect the negative battery terminal to prevent electrical mishaps. Open the hood and locate the ignition coils, typically found on top of the engine, covering the spark plugs. For Hemi engines, there are usually 8 or 16 spark plugs, depending on the model. Clear any debris around the coils with a rag to keep dirt out of the engine during the process. Removing old spark plugs. Start by removing one ignition coil at a time. Use a ratchet and appropriate socket to loosen the bolt holding the coil in place, then gently pull the coil out. Attach the spark plug socket to your extension and ratchet, then carefully lower it into the spark plug well. Turn counterclockwise to loosen and remove the old plug. Inspect it for wear, dark or fouled plugs may indicate engine issues. Repeat this for each plug, working methodically to avoid mixing up coils. Installing new spark plugs. Before installing, check the gap on each new spark plug using a gap tool, adjusting to your vehicle's specifications, typically 0.040 to 0.050 inches for Hemi engines. Apply a thin layer of anti-seize compound to the plug threads to prevent sticking, but avoid overdoing it. Carefully thread each new plug into the well by hand to avoid cross-threading, then tighten with the torque wrench to the manufacturer's recommended torque, usually 13 to 15 feet lbs. Final steps and testing. Once all plugs are replaced, reconnect the battery and double-check all connections. Start the engine and listen for smooth operation. A steady idle indicates success. Clean your tools and dispose of old plugs properly. This simple maintenance task can improve fuel efficiency, reduce emissions, and restore your Hemi's roar. Celebrate your DIY win and enjoy the drive. Hope you like this video. Please like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.